and welcome to another FTx webinar. I'm Cullen Jorgensen, your host for today. I'm the new media manager here at FTx Solutions. This morning we'll be showcasing some new features and templates in FTx AdPro, the design studio for the FTx Control Center. FTx webinars are a weekly event and happen every Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we'll go over all the aspects of FTx software. You can preview and sign up for all upcoming webinars, as well as view all previous webinars by going to our website, goftx.com, and choosing FTx Lifeline at the top of the page. Then scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by just typing goftx.com/webinars into your browser. You can sign up ahead of time and watch it stream live, or you can watch any previously streamed and recorded webinar in our archive at your leisure. We here at FTx Solutions are working hard to build a comprehensive video resource library, and we encourage you to watch our videos as many times as you'd like. Pause, take breaks, take notes, and absorb them at your own pace. There are a lot of exciting new features in FTx AdPro, and we'll be covering a lot of them today. If you're unfamiliar with FTx AdPro, you can watch our previous webinar videos, shown here. AdPro is the integrated design studio for FTx Control Center. With AdPro, you can build or update custom graphic designs for your FTx digital marketing layer by layer. AdPro gives you total control of your customer's experience through your digital signs, menu boards, and promotions. And you can do it all without having to have your own art department or contracting out to a design firm. Our AdPro designer Steve Chen is back to demonstrate some of the new functionality, tools, and the nearly 1,200 templates and 33 categories Steve has designed for you. So let's jump right into it. You start by logging into Control Center and going to AdPro Templates. Some new and exciting things have been happening here at FTx Solutions, including the addition of hundreds of new AdPro templates and 33 new categories. AdPro offers almost 1,200 template options for almost every industry. Let's check out some of our new categories. Aerospace is a new category for the aerospace and defense industry. As you can see, we're not just about pretty graphics. You can also build infographics with AdPro. We've added several new templates to the casino category, including COVID-19 related ads and graphics. We're constantly adding new convenience store templates. We also have some pandemic related templates for retail stores in general. Digital coupons are a great tool to use while marketing to your customers via email or digital signage. We've designed quite a few new coupon templates. In light of recent events, we felt it only necessary to create a stockpile of pandemic-related templates for retailers and restaurant owners to use in their business to keep customers and employees safe. A new category of firearms was added recently. There are templates ranging in training information and classes to store promos and events. Some new templates have been added to our floral shop category, from fun holiday promotional ad templates to floral arrangements for your honey on Valentine's Day. AdPro has everything a floral shop needs to market their store. Next up is home improvements. Construction, building materials, contractors, and so many more industry players will benefit from having a variety of home improvement templates. The supermarket category was freshened up with some new templates, including different layouts and background options. One of our newer categories for tattoo parlors has been updated with some great templates for cover-ups, special deals, and so much more. We've also added some new subcategories. These include barbers, who we've added under beauty and spa, have a fresh new look and nostalgic feel. A delicious donut subcategory was added under food and beverages, along with an ice cream subcategory and a pizza shop subcategory. With school starting back up soon, we've added some new templates for back to school. In the sales category, simply search school in sales and browse the newly added templates. The beauty and spa category has been updated with several new templates ranging in sizes, color schemes, and service types. We also updated the pet shop category with new templates for discounts, holidays, and other related animal services. The health and fitness category has some great new templates, including information on different training classes, updated gym hours, and basic gym information. Just look how easy it is to edit a template to fit what's going on in your business. For example, a gym grand opening. Simply click on the template, move the text to where you want it, edit the text, and add new if needed. And you're done. You can also swap out images and change the background style. Let's see how you can export a coupon for print. I'm going to go to the coupon category and select the coupon design I want. Then I can change anything I want on the coupon and export it as a PNG, PDF, or JPEG. Now let's go to the COVID-19 template category. From here you can choose any template and make changes that reflect information for your business. With this template, you can keep your customers up to date with changing store hours. You can export it as a PNG, PDF, or JPEG. We've also added some printable signs for in-store safety. These templates can be printed and hung on your door or near the checkout counter.
FastTrax is currently offering a free trial of AdPro to all businesses in any industry until the end of 2020. Visit goftx.com/free-adpro to get started today. To learn more about AdPro, you can watch our previous webinars where we went over some of the most basic settings of AdPro.
Thanks so much, Casera. That was a good overview of a lot of the new templates we've designed, which are all ready for you to use today. So that's all I intended to cover today. I hope you learned some new things, and I hope it'll better help you use FTx AdPro. We're always growing and updating these templates to give you a huge variety of designs and layouts in order to suit your business and appeal to your customers. You can also rest easy knowing that we've purchased extended digital licenses for all the stock images used in our templates, granting you freedom to use them in all of your digital marketing. As a reminder, these Fast Track webinars are weekly events that happen every Friday morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can view all of our webinars by heading over to our website, goftx.com, and choosing Lifeline at the top of the page. Then scroll halfway down the page and choose the View Webinars button. You can also take the more direct route by just typing goftx.com/webinars directly into your browser. This will load all our previous webinars where you can watch the recordings, as well as upcoming webinars and options to sign up for them. I hope everyone has a great week ahead, and we hope to see you again next week. Special thanks to Steve Chin for the design and digital walkthrough.